Hello, Fights of Friends family. Seattle Mike here, showing you what I do sometimes on my mornings for entertainment. We got a big murder of crows here in a parking lot by work. God, they would kill me if they knew I was the one attracting all these crows. Watch this though. We got some seagulls hanging out here close to. I got a handful of tortillas. We're about to get this party started. Oh, and now we got a battle of the birds this morning, boys and girls. We got the seagulls coming in. They are greatly outnumbered, though. So the crows have smaller mouths, though, so they have to wait for